Hello, good day to you, and welcome guys to my channel. This is Samola channel. The news reaching us right now is telling us that INEC has confirmed the postponement of the presidential election to 23rd of February. We could understand that for the past few hours there have been deliberation. The INEC officials, the INEC chairman, the Professor Mahmood Yakub, was told to be having a series of meetings with the foreign observers and the commissioners that are involved, the 12 commissioners that are involved, and we have been trying to get an updated information about how, if the election that's supposed to happen today will still hold or not. Although a lot of speculations has been going all around about the outcome of the meeting that is to be postponed, but we are all waiting for INEC chairman Professor Mahmood Yakub to come out and talk to us that okay, the election has been postponed. And just a few minutes ago, we saw him coming to address the pressmen that the election has now been postponed to the 23rd of February, while the election to the governorship position will be held in March 9. So he even apologized to people that they should just accept it that way, that it's because he gave the reason that it's because of the logistic problem. We could also remember that there are some places that were having logistics, as at yesterday Ekiti State, some part of Ekiti State were complaining that when none of the electoral material has reached their side. And remember, in Anambra State there was an INEC office that got burnt, and there's some other logistics stuff that happened. So because of that, the INEC chairman has briefed the pressmen at exactly 2:34 a.m. Yes, 2:34 a.m. That's few minutes ago. And so, because that's what I'm also been waiting for, and I could tell you categorically now that it is not official that the presidential election that's supposed to hold today, the 16th of February, has been postponed. We could remember that this is not the first time in which an election will be postponed like that. Remember in 2011, that was during the time of Jonathan, it was postponed. Also in 2015, was postponed for a good 6 weeks. Then it was said because of the logistic problem and insecurity was the main cause in 2015, and because of the insecurity situation that we are having at the northeast zone of the country. So it was that was why it was shifted then. And today, 16th of February, the reason was as a result of unavailability of electoral materials to conduct the election. Challenges. This is the report in which Shah reporters reported. He said the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has formally confirmed the postponement of the 2019 presidential election, previous scheduled to hold today. Shah reporters had reported the postponement late on Friday evening, although it was still unofficial at that time. Briefing newsmen beginning from 2:43 a.m. Professor Mahmood Yakub said proceeding with the election as scheduled is no longer feasible. Consequently, he said the presidential and National Assembly elections has been moved to 23rd of February 2019. The governorship and state assembly election were also moved by 1 week to March 9, 2019. We will still be giving you the information it's on foot. But right now, we could see that some other online news media has also put that on top of their has updated the information on their website. So let's keep our fingers crossed. We know we can now go about our normal activities today, and it's I want to tell us that we should still try to continue to listen to the news, because by 2 p.m. that's 14:00 hour today, 16th of February, the INEC chairman will address the Nigerians and will explain how each and every decision that was taken, why they have taken it. So till then, let me say bye bye from now. And I want to implore you, if today is the first time of listening to my channel, I want you to subscribe to Sam Ola channel. You could see the subscription button down below. Then after you subscribe, please click the bell icon. That's where we show you the notification of the current news as it is entering. Like I said, let's just keep our fingers crossed and wait till 2 p.m. to hear the full gist about what is going on pertaining to the election. But as far as you are concerned right now, the election that's supposed to today will not be holding again today, and has been shifted by 7 days. So till that 7 days, well, let's keep our fingers crossed and let's prepare to hear from horse's mouth by 2 p.m. That's 14:00 hours today. Thank you, and see you some other time.